Now student, look at the types of sentence. Look at the first type, subject plus verb. Look at the example, John smiled. Here John is the subject and smiled is the verb. John हंस रहा था. John smiled. The sun shines. The criminal escaped. So all these sentence here one subject is present and one verb is present. So here the first case is the subject plus verb. In this case the sentence having only subject plus verb. Look at the examples. In all three examples there is only one subject and one verb, and by this you can also make a sentence by using the subject plus verb. Then student, coming to the next type, what is it? Subject plus verb plus complement. So dear student, look at the examples present here. I am a student. Here I is the subject, am is the verb, and a student means it's a student stands for the complement which completes the sentence. If I will tell I am, that means nothing. I am what? I am who? So I am a student. So I am a student is a complete sentence. So by this we can also form a sentence in this way, like we have to add subject plus verb plus complement. Something you have to add to complete your sentence. So look at the rest of the examples. My sister is clever. So dear student, my sister here is the subject, is the verb, and clever is the complement. Like this, look at the next third example. They are software engineers. So they are the subject, are is here the verb, and software engineers are the complement. They are what? They are software engineers. So software engineers is a part which completes your sentence. So by this you also make a sentence by adding subject plus verb plus complement. Then look at the third type, subject plus verb plus object. In this case student, there are three parts. One subject part, one verb part, and one object part. So look at here. Look at the examples given here. Rabi watered the plants. Here Rabi is the subject. Water मतलब watering करना, पानी देना. किसको पानी दे रहा था? The plants. Plants here, plants are the object. So by adding subject, verb and object we can make a sentence. Look at the rest of the examples present here. Manav wrote a poem. So मानव ने क्या लिखा था? एक कविता लिखा था. तो मानव is the subject. wrote, write का past tense हुआ है wrote. तो wrote is a verb. A poem is a object, or poem is an object. So Manav wrote a poem. It's complete. Give a complete sense. So this is a sentence. Then coming to the third example, Gita cleaned the table. Here Gita is the subject. Clean का past tense हुआ है cleaned, ed लगा है. तो clean is a verb and the table is a क्या है? Is an object. So by this you can also form a sentence by using subject plus verb plus object. Then coming to the next category, what is there? In the fourth type we can make a sentence by adding subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. How you will form this type of sentence? Look at here. Look at the example. The doctor prescribed medicine to him. So the doctor is the subject, prescribed is the verb, medicine is the direct object. डॉक्टर ने क्या प्रिस्क्राइब किया? मेडिसिन. किसको किया? To whom? तो to whom is the part which indicates the indirect object. ये क्या है? Indirect object है. To whom is the indirect object. So here look at the next example. The teacher gave her a gift. So the teacher is the subject. Give का past tense हुआ है. Give is a verb. So gave is a verb. Her is the direct object. कहा किसको दिया? टीचर ने किसको दिया? उसको दिया. एक गिफ्ट क्या दिया? तो एक उपहार दिया, एक गिफ्ट दिया. So a gift is the indirect object. By this student you can also do the you can also form a sentence by adding subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. Then coming to the next category, that is our fifth type. So in this case, we will form a sentence by adding subject plus verb plus object and plus adjunct. Adjunct is the additional word. These are the optional words we are using to form a sentence. So look at here. I bought a laptop yesterday. So in this case, I is the subject. Bought, buy का past tense है bought. So bought is a verb. A laptop is an object, and a यहाँ in this case yesterday. Yesterday is the adjunct part. Means this is the additional part we are using here to form a sentence. This adjunct may be a timing, may be a timing or a place. So by this you can also form a sentence adding subject plus verb plus object plus adjunct. Then coming to the next category, that is the sixth type, is subject plus verb plus adjunct. You can omit the object part here. You can directly add the adjunct part in place of object. So look at here how you will form the sentence. She went angrily. So it is the feelings. The feelings also coming under the adjunct part. So she is the subject. Went, go ka past tense है went. So it went is a verb, and angrily is the adjunct part. So by these you can also form a sentence by adding subject plus verb plus directly you add the adjunct part. She went angrily. Then coming to the next part, student. The seventh type is your subject plus verb plus object plus complement. So look at here. He painted the house yellow. So then look at the next example. They made him the captain. So here in this case, in the first example, he is the subject part. पेंटेड, पेंट से हुआ है पेंटेड मतलब कलर करना, कलर देना. सो पेंट इज द रूट वर्ब. पेंट से इसका पास्ट टेंस हुआ है पेंटेड, ईडी लगा है. तो पेंटेड इज अ वर्ब एंड द हाउस is an object, and yellow stands for the complement which complete this sentence. So he painted the house yellow. Then coming to the next example, they made him the captain. They is the subject. Made, make का past tense हुआ है made. So made here is a verb, and him stands for a boy or a man. So him is the object and the captain is the complement part. So the complement part completes the whole sentence. So dear student, these are the types of sentence. You can form the sentence by these. In these 7 types, like this you can form the sentence.